Thanks for tuning in, it's Jeff here, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can change the overall look of your Model Y to give it a performance look and feel without spending thousands and thousands of dollars, while also keeping the comfort of your 19-inch cross-flow wheels. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, what you need to do to install it, how to install it, and then we'll do some before and after shots. You have options, and the options are amazing. So you're gonna get the stock wheel cover that look like the performance wheels on a performance Model Y. And they're going to give you this blank center cap that look just like the actual performance wheels. They don't have any logo in the middle. I double checked just to make sure. Now, EVBASE does have alternate color center caps if you want to change the look. You've got red Tesla logo, you've got a white Tesla logo, and a black Tesla logo, all of which the surrounding area is matte and the logo itself is that color variant. So if you have a red paint, you can kind of color match it, white, so on and so forth. If you want to go stealth, stick with the included center cap on these performance style wheel covers. Now, when you get them, you're gonna have to do one thing. Besides unpacking them, you're gonna have to install a adhesive foam tape that goes all the way around the edge on the inside of the wheel cover. That's gonna protect the plastic on the wheel cover from scratching your OEM wheel. So that's gonna be really, really important, and also keep it from rattling and things like that. It'll keep it very nice and snug. Now you're going to see on the wheel cover, it has these gripping tabs or hooks, also into center hub. That's what's going to hook onto the 5-spoke cross flows so they attach nice and firm. First, find the hole for the valve stem, and that's going to line up directly over here, just like that. The valve stem is right here, and all we're going to do is start pushing it into the wheel arm or the wing of this particular wheel. So it's going to push down, and there you go. That's it. It was literally that fast and easy to add these. Look at this wheel cover, is that it actually covers the rim of the wheel, the actual alloy of the wheel, whereas the cross flows, the stock OEM cross flows, the rim of the wheel is actually exposed. So if you curb it, you're gonna curb the actual rim. Now, if you actually already curbed your rim, which can happen, life happens, when you just get a set of these covers and all the different styles, check out the description below for all the styles and links down there. You'll cover up all the scratches and have a different look, and a nice, super easy, clean look. If you're enjoying my content, be sure to subscribe for future videos and previous videos. I'll link them somewhere here and here, because I show you how to use other types of wheel covers to change your look, some comparisons, other accessories, and ways to detail your Tesla in a very, very safe way to minimize your scratching.